Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just have to go into profile menu, then on manage your account, then on personal details, and then on the email address. On this, then here we can delete our current email, enter our new one, and after we are done we can just tap on save to save the new email address, and yeah, it's going to get verified again. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.